Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Now you know that I bought a MacBook Air a few days back maybe or a half a month back, and ever since I started using it I found a few quirks on this machine which maybe nobody tells you about. One is how to use this MagSafe port. So generally what happens is when you're plugging in your MagSafe, it magnetically attaches to your laptop like so. So how do you generally remove it? What you would feel is pull it out like so, but when you try to pull it out straight out, it doesn't really work. And if you use the wire to pull it out, you will be damaging the wire slowly. So what do you need to do? There's one way is either push down on it, it comes off like so, and the other way is you push up and it comes out so easily. So that's one of the problems or quirks that I found out with this MacBook. And another thing that I noticed was when you're actually charging, it starts vibrating for some reason. So when you're running your hand across, it actually starts vibrating, which I was really surprised. I was actually worried if it was overcharging or it was running the motors within. What I found out was these chargers generally come with a 2-prong charger plug, and other users were suggesting use a 3-prong plug instead. But when I looked for an adapter for this exact plug, I found that the 3-prong plug was actually 1,900 rupees just to change that adapter on the end. So if you really have a problem with how it is vibrating while it's charging, you can change to that 3-prong plug instead. Other than that, the machine has been working properly. There has been a lot of changes that I had to go through for coming from Windows to a Mac, like how you're supposed to copy paste, cut paste and all that. Those kind of shortcuts that are there actually available on the Mac, but you just need to relearn a few things, which is not bad. And the machine has been running properly until now. There have been no problems as of now. So what do you guys think? Did you have any other quirky problems with a Mac? If so, do mention them in the comments below. I would like to know more, and I can actually make a video later if I can actually pick up some of the points that you guys have put through. Do make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.